Grasp stick and grip firmly, then wiggle back and forth as shown. If there is movement, often accompanied by a snapping sound, the grip will need to be shimmed. To shim, reheat the grip and remove from the shaft. Then, apply strips of cloth tape in the directions that the grip is loose within the stick as shown. Dry fit the grip a quarter of the way into the stick after applying each tape shim. Repeat this until the grip fits very firmly in the stick. When you are comfortable that you have properly shimmed grip, apply additional hot melt glue using the heat gun. When reinserting the grip over heat, the grip should go back in very firmly. Insert to the start of rubber as shown. Set aside for approximately 7 minutes or until hot melt glue is no longer warm to the touch. If it does not go back in firmly, you may need additional tape shims. Once complete, peel off excess glue, grasp stick and grip firmly, then wiggle grip back and forth as shown. If there's no movement, your patented Oggie grip with our exclusive Grip Flex system is ready for play.